Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling location and ensuring you have data or Wi-Fi. This lets Maps locate you instantly. Once done, open Google Maps and sign in so your saved places and preferences load. Next, tap the search bar and type the address or tap the microphone for voice entry. This speeds input while you prepare to move. Make sure the blue location dot appears, then select the correct result so the app can calculate routes from your current position. After selecting your destination, tap directions and choose driving mode to use sat-nav features. Then review the route options Google suggests and pick the one that matches your preferences: fastest, avoiding tolls, or avoiding highways. Once you choose a route, tap the three dots or route options to set departure or arrival time, add intermediate stops, and enable voice guidance. These settings let Maps plan realistic arrival times and speak turn instructions, so you can keep your eyes on the road. Tap Start to begin navigation and follow the voice prompts and on-screen arrows. They indicate lane guidance and upcoming turns. If you miss a turn, Maps reroutes automatically. Wait a moment for recalculation or safely pull over to choose an alternate route manually. If guidance stops or the blue dot freezes, toggle GPS off/on, switch to airplane mode then back, or use an offline map by downloading the area beforehand. These quick fixes restore navigation without losing your destination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.